branches of yesterday. Every sidewalk tells a story of colors drifting away. We carved our names in cold air, breathing clouds into the dusk. Swore the season couldn't touch us, but time turned gold into rust. Autumn never stays too long. Every ending moves us on. Love arrives like sudden rain, then disappears without a name. Still we run into the wind with broken hearts and stubborn skin. If the seasons slip away, we'll find another dawn to chase. Winter knocks with frozen hands. Spring hums soft in distant lands. Every summer burns too fast, like a spark not meant to last. But the wheel beneath our feet never begs for our defeat. Every loss becomes a spark, lighting fires in the dark. Autumn never stays too long. Every ending moves us on. Love arrives like sudden rain, then disappears without a name. Still we run into the wind with broken hearts and stubborn skin. If the seasons slip away, we'll find another dawn to chase. Autumn never stays too long. Hear a million voices strong. Every heartbreak, every flame is a chapter, not the end. If tomorrow steals today, we'll still rise and find our way through the storm, through the pain, and we'll keep dancing in the rain. Leaves fall, we rise. He shuts the alarm before it screams, lets the sunlight cut the seams of another day he's supposed to chase. Another mast, another race. without a spark of light. Every sunrise borrowed time, every heartbeat still a crime. Laugh out loud until it breaks, every rule the future makes. If the world dissolves tonight, he was never scared of life. And somewhere past the city lights, he disappears into the night. Paper sky, while empty plates keep asking why. Promises printed in neon lights burn like headlines overnight. Streets where children sleep, numbers rise but hope runs cheap. Every speech sounds clean and brave from a podium far from the graves. We don't bow, we don't kneel, we are louder than the deals they seal. From the dust, from the scars we make, hear the ground begin to shake. No crown in the fire, no throne above. We were born in the sound of freedom's drum. If the storm is the price we pay, we'll be the thunder anyway. Echo through the screen, wrapped in flags and gasoline. Inflation climbs like a thief at night, stealing dreams by candlelight. Mothers count the cost in tears, fathers drown in borrowed years, while kings of glass just raise a toast to the ghosts we love the most. We don't bow, we don't kneel, we are louder than the deals they seal. From the dust, from the scars we make, hear the ground begin to shake. No crown in the fire, no throne above. We were born in the sound of freedom's drum. If the storm is the price we pay, we'll be the thunder anyway. voices in the flame. Dying star, neon promises didn't get me far. Every road kept splitting into doubt. Every voice inside me shouting louder than the crowd. But every night the silence knew my name. just sparks in the air, like fate was sketching lines that led us there. You spoke in questions I was scared to ask. We argued truth like it was made of glass. Every word fell sharp, then turned into light, turning in wrong directions into right. When our eyes collide, the world goes still. Every doubt bends slowly to your will. Rain can fall and soak us through the night. Let the sun burn dry with all its might. In this life we don't need alibis. We write meaning in the open skies. If the world's a lie, we can redefine everything the moment our eyes collide. We traded stories like they were our scars, mapped constellations from invisible stars. You pulled me up when gravity won. I held your shadows when you couldn't run. We never claimed to understand it all, but we stood tall when the sky would fall. Two stubborn hearts learning how to bend, turning broken roads into a friend. When our eyes collide, the world goes still. Every doubt bends slowly to your will. Rain can fall Every scar was proof we tried. We were infinite side by side, and we were the fire, we were the sound, kings of the streets, no map could pin down. You're in the echo of every chord I play, and every sunrise breaking through the gray. If you can hear me past the sky tonight, I'm still running with your reckless light. You're not gone, you just outran the dawn, and I'll keep singing till my breath is gone. Till my breath is gone. Now your jacket hangs on a silent chair, like the ghost of a laugh still living there. Every corner whispers your name, but nothing in this world feels the same. Still your voice cuts through the doubt, like a siren calling me out, saying don't you dare slow down, turn your pain into a battle sound. We were the fire, we were the sound, kings of the streets, no map could pin down. You're in the echo of every chord I play, and every sunrise breaking through the gray. If you can hear me past the sky tonight, I'm still running with your reckless light. You're not gone, you just outran the dawn, and I'll keep singing till my breath is gone. Till my breath is gone. We are the fire, we are the sound, your spark in me will never burn out. Through the thunder, through the fear, through the fall, I can hear your anthem in it all. If forever lives beyond the sky, then save a place where the wild hearts fly. Until that day I'll scream it strong, your flame is the rhythm that keeps me on. We were the fire, and the fire lives on. City lights flicker like a heartbeat glitch. Every promise feels one step out of reach. I walked a tightrope made of second chances, while the crowd kept betting on my fall. My reflection wore a stranger's face, every dream stuck in a holding place. The thunder lives inside my chest tonight, and it's begging me to fight the night. I will break the gravity holding me down, turn the silence into a screaming sound. From the wreckage, from the doubt, from the scars I've made, I'm the fire that refuses to fade. sway. Every branch that snapped in the storm grows back wilder than before. He keeps running through the pain, learning how to lose again. He just rises once again.